Today, let's make a bold attempt. Fly the machine to the foot of the mountain. Then turn off the remote control. See if it can fly back automatically. Go straight and fly forward. Okay. Now it's far enough. Operate it from the front, go to the left. That's no problem. Go to the right. No problem. Look at the real-time picture the picture sent back. Rise again. Rise and fall. No problem. Give it a bold try. Turn off the remote control of the machine. See what happens to this plane. Will it fall? Turned off, not connected to the phone. Look at our plane. Right above. The light is flashing. See if he can fly back by himself. This machine is a classic. DJI 2, its flying altitude is 500 meters. The flight distance is 10 kilometers, carrying upper and lower arms. In front is a half-inch sensor. It can shoot 4K 20 million real-time pixels. Okay. Now the plane is overhead. It began to prepare for descent. Walk away a little. See if it can come down automatically. Start preparing for descent. The lights behind are flashing. Look at the remote control again. There is no operation in the whole process. This is the function of intelligent return. Praise made in China.